بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. Today we'll learn how to use Hans Wehr Dictionary to find out meaning of a word, and word mainly ism, because right now we haven't learned words or fail. Till now we learned ism, so we'll see how to find an ism. But before finding that, if you have an Android phone, so on Google Play you can just type this Hans Wehr Dictionary and you will come up with this. So there will be multiple dictionaries, but this one is most popular, like Hans Wehr Dictionary. So for Google's Play, you will see like this. If you see this kind of dictionary, just download and install it. And on Apple App Store, if you type this Hans Wehr, you will see this kind of an icon. So you can just download. These are free apps. This on App Store, it is developed by Umar Jahangir, and on Google's Play, it's developed by Gabriel Abdullah. Have to install the keyboard as well, right? If you don't have already Arabic keyboard, you will also have to install it. Like when you type it, you can type Arabic letters once you have the app. And then if you want to buy it, so this one, it will be in the slides. So Amazon, you will find this one. So this is the best one, or the one that I found useful. It's not very costly. I think it's $20 or $25. So if you want a hard copy, you can order this through Amazon. Arabic-English Dictionary, the Hans Wehr Dictionary of Modern Written Arabic. So what happens in Arabic, like using three root letters, out of those three root letters, so in Arabic, any three root letter word has a basic meaning. And then based on that root letter word, you can form or make many word in Arabic. Like even like if you know one word, out of that word you can make tens of words using Arabic, and that those 10 to 20 word will carry the meaning of the root letter word meaning. It will just a little bit modifying it, but if you know the meaning of the root letter, you can find out the meaning of the words those are formed using those root letters. So let's say, for example, ka, ta, ba, right? So there are three root letters: ka, kaf, ta, and ba. All right. So this is our fa kalima, this is our ain kalima, this is our lam kalima. So mainly this ka, ta, ba, these three root letter word give you a meaning of like writing. So it gives you a sense or meaning of writing. Now, kitab. If you see out of kitab, kaf, ta, ba has part of it. Alif is added, but kitab. Now kitab is called book. It is also, book is also giving you some kind of a writing sense, right? Katib. Katib is writer. Same thing, kaf, ta, ba. It also has kaf, ta, ba, right? So katib is also giving you a same kind of sense, writing. Maktaba. Maktaba is library. Now Maktaba also has Kaf Taba in there, but Meme and Tamarbuta is added, but Kaf Taba is part of it. So same thing, right? It's giving you some kind of a same sense like writing, library. Yaktubu, that's a verb, he writes. So that's a verb, but still if you see Kaf Taba, it also has Kaf Taba in there. So giving you a same kind of meaning. Maktab. Maktab is a desk or office. Same thing, you have Kaf Taba in there. So just this is the added letter, right? So if you see all these five examples, in all these five, there are root letters there and some are extra letters. So how to find a noun in the dictionary? So the first step is identify the root letters. How? This way, right? So we should know what are the extra letters, take them out, and then you will end up with three letters. You should be ending up with three letters, and those will be your root letters. So the first step is identify the root letters. So most Arabic words are derived from three root letters. You already know that. So strip away prefix, suffix, and extra, right? So what is prefix, suffix? This is prefix, this is suffix, and this is in the middle, right? So just strip them out, take them out, like maktab, right? So in maktab, we know meme is prefix, take it out. Now you end up with three letters, kaf, ta, ba. These are all are root letters, and it's giving you a meaning of writing. And all derived words would be giving you a same kind of a sense of writing, like katib, maktub, maktaba, maktab. Second, rearrange the root letters. So rearrange the letters into the correct dictionary root letters. So most probably you will end up with a already in a arranging form like kaf, ta, ba. Most probably it will be, yeah, you will end up with the same arrangement. So you won't need to once you take the extra letter out, just like put them together. That's what it means, right? So let's say if you have Nasir, right? So once you take the ya out, then you will end up with noon, swad, and ra. So just like rearrange means like just put it like this. So ya is out. Now you have noon, swad, ra. So that is your, these are your root letters, noon, swad, and ra. That's what the rearrange means. All right. So now ignore any vowel marks. So like if there are some vowels like harakat, just ignore them because the dictionary is organized by consonant roots. So when you see in Arabic dictionary, you won't see any harakat on there. So that's why just don't worry about the harakat. Even if it like nasara, if you have nasara, so don't worry about all those fathas. Just ignore them because in dictionary you won't see them. Okay. So ignore vowel marks. The dictionary is organized by consonant words, not vowel pattern. Okay, so it's all consonants, depend upon consonants. Consonants are those, these letters are called consonant, right? And any harakat, those are called vowels. So now go to the root in Hans Wehr. Now you got the root, you have ignored the vowels. This is our root letters. Hans Wehr is arranged by the first root letter. That's the key point. So Hans Wehr is arranged by the first root letter. So like in English, when you go, English is basically alphabetically, right? Like all words start with A will appear first, then A, B, then A, C, those patterns, then B will start, then C, and all those are ongoing, right? But in Arabic dictionary, the letters are arranged, words are arranged based on first root letter, then second, then third. That's why we learned how to find out the root letter. That's why we were doing this practice in previous slides, how to find root letters, because the dictionary is arranged by root letters. So we should know what are the root letters. And then when we go and find this word like noon, swadra in dictionary, so we'll find noon first. So hence where is arranged by the first root letter, then second, then third. So we'll find the noon. So we'll go to that page that has noon, right? And then under noon, we'll try to go with swad and then ra. So that's how we'll find out. Same like for kataba, kaf is our first root letter or fa kalma. So we'll go and find kaf first. We'll go to that page that is started with kaf and then ta and then ba. That's how we'll go. All right. It's not alphabetically. Like, it's not like all alif words are coming first and ba coming for second. Not like that. It's arranged based on the first root letters, then second, then third. That's how Hans Wehr dictionary is arranged. The third step is go to the root in Hans Wehr. Like Hans Wehr is arranged by first root letter, then second, then third. All right, that's the third step. Then fourth step. Now, once you reach it, now you will see many words. As I mentioned, right, that in Arabic you will have a family of words or many derived words. So like with this root letter word, there are many words giving you a same kind of meaning, right? So all those words starting with kaf, like katib, kitab, and even maktab, those all words fall under this under these root letters. So now you have to reach to your word that you are trying to find out, right? So you will have a sequence of word starting with that word. So same like scan through those root entry. Like once at the root entry, scan the listed derived form. Like you will see nouns, you will see verbs, you will see adjective there, right? There will be lots of words. So like for kataba, once you reach to kaf taba, you will find maktub there, you will find katib there, you will find kitab there, you will find maktab there. So just scan through and you will find your word that you are trying to find out. All right. But first you have to find the root letters because the Arabic dictionary is arranged through root letters. So you have to find out the root letter first, take all extra letter out. Once you reach to that page that has this root letter, then you go down and find out the word actually that you were trying to find. Like if it was maktub, go under, you will find somewhere there. If you had the word katib, go under kataba, you will find it. If you have kitab, go under kataba, you will find it. If it is maktab, it will be under kataba. So first, remove all extra letters, find out the root letters, and then find in the dictionary. Then go down and scan through. You will see the word that you are trying to find out. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد النبي الأمي وآله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. ربنا إنك جامع الناس ليوم لا ريب فيه إن الله لا يخلف الميعاد. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.